and we hear the better world. Hi.
Hey, hello. Hello, I'm Jakub from Conclusive Engineering. We're a professional services company in embedded software and hardware, and we have just entered product market with our 3 products. Single board, 2 single board computers and 1 system on module.
So what do you do?
The first board over here is a system on module based on microchip PolarFire SoC plus FPGA. So that's a pretty
RISC-V.
RISC-V, yes, that's a RISC-V and an FPGA, an FPGA in a single SoC. We have LPDDR4 over here, and basically an evaluation platform for this module. So that's basically it. The other board over here is an NXP Layerscape based SBC. This platform is basically designed as a edge computing platform, something more related to like high-speed networking and stuff like that. And the other board we have over here is a small single board computer. It's a very tiny IoT board based on the microchips 8027. So this particular board is actually very interesting because it's capable of running Linux, and it draws below 1 watt of power under a full load. So that's basically a lineup of devices we have right now on the market, and besides of that, we're also, like Jakub said, a professional services company, so we can do custom hardware, custom software, and any modifications of the hardware you have seen over here.
Where are you based?
So we are based in Poland, Katowice. Our company has been founded in 2018, and we have started basically from developing custom solutions for our customers, and we are basically entering the embedded hardware market with our products. Like basically right now, we have started developing our platforms basically last year.
And you actually develop development boards.
Yes.
You do
Yes.
the board design.
Yes, we are doing board design. Everything you see over here is customly designed in Poland by us. All boards are also assembled in Poland. So we are not doing the manufacturing in China. We are doing everything locally in Poland. So the whole IP, the BSPs, and the software support all comes from us.
There's some nice SMT machines in Poland.
Yeah. But we are basically using an external facility to basically assemble the PCBs.
How would you say is the quality on a product like this? How's the reliability? How long is it going to lifetime support be and everything?
So basically, for example, this board, it's pretty early in development stage. So those PolarFire SoC chips are still engineering samples. So for this, I suppose it's going to be the longest on the market, because we cannot even source the target chips yet. The NXP Layerscape, I guess, I don't know, at least 5 or 10 years from now.
I think NXP claims at least 10 years of support going on from now, because those chips were introduced in 2018, 17 or 18, and at least I think 15 years from the time of introduction they will be still supported. And speaking of microchip has a longevity policy that any chip will be manufactured as long as there are customers for it. So they don't claim that it will be supported for 10, 15 or 20 years, but instead they are just claiming hopefully infinite support for any of those ICs.
So as long as the chip is supported, you will support the board?
Yes, exactly. And let me say this, we have a few customers who already wanted like longevity declarations from us, and we claim at least 10 years support for each board that we have on the shelf.
All right.
Yeah.
How big is your team?
So we are, our team is like 30 people, and it's composed of embedded software engineers, hardware engineers, and also some marketing people and UI UX designers. So basically our story is like this. We have started by doing like custom embedded software and hardware solutions, and since we have accumulated the experience needed to design our own boards, we said why not try with our own products, and this is why we are here today.
and how do you like the embedded world,
So-
like the industry?
It's a great pleasure to be here and meet with people from all the industry. There are several companies we work with at the moment who are also there, and we have the chance to meet with them and meet basically in person, talk to our suppliers, talk to our customers. So we like it a lot, basically.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
All right.
And do you have a lot of cool projects for the future?
What we're missing at the moment is some multimedia-based single-board computer or some. A lot of people come here and ask, "Do you have something with a beefy GPU?" And we say, so, "Unfortunately, not at the moment." So definitely the next thing in our lineup will be a single-board computer or a system on module with some multimedia features like video processing and GPU.
That's a lot of things to support.
Yeah. I think we can manage to support it. For example, right now our whole board lineup uses one base Linux kernel that is supported in the same version for all three of them, and we try to have like best-in-class software support. So we managed it by unification of our BSPs. So like all the three boards that we support come with like one Ubuntu-based BSP, and one pretty new Linux kernel based on Series 5.16.
Cool. All right. That's nice. Awesomeness, keep it coming, and better hardware. This is one of the comments. Cool. All right, so people can find more on your website.
Yep.
Yes, exactly.
And all the details there.
Yep.
Okay. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.